So it's Monday, July 11th, and they actually have a VBS here at the campsite. So Christina figured it out, but they were almost done today, but they're gonna be here all week. So Christina's gonna take advantage of that. Check out that fancy slide. Christina, you wanna go on that? This is like the playground from like ancient centuries. Go ahead, do it with Christina.
I don't know where to put my water.
So we found this playground. Check that out.
Wait!
Looks like there's a lot of bugs here.
1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, and you're up.
Hey, it's like a swing. Woo! Woo! That was me.
Wait.
They're singing.
I wanna swing. Chandelier, I'm the chandelier. I wanna live like tomorrow doesn't exist. Like it doesn't exist. In America. Did I say that right? That's a big bread. How's yours, Mama? Do you like it? Yeah? Really good? Cristina, you're still working on the bread. Yeah, mac and cheese with grilled cheese. And I got the ribs. I got the Big Daddy plate. This is for Christina. So Gianna got the key lime pie. Wait, can we get this moment in slow motion?
No, you don't have to be in slow motion. I'll put you in slow motion.
Is it good? You like it?
Yeah, Kuchiku. How's the ice cream?
Mine tastes like lemon cheesecake or something.
Oh, is it stuck? No, not worth the calories?
That's right. Just to eat that.
Dale.
No, just lick it. Just lick it. All you need to do is lick it and make the face that you made. Wait. Hey, try it.
She didn't like the key lime
Good, you
pie.
like it?
Okay, do you want to try it? Try it.
Baby, no water. Drink water, drink water. Here, wait. Here, water.
Was it that bad, Mama?
Oh, wait, that's the soda. Oh, here, drink water.
Did she throw it up? Did she just throw up?
No, she threw up.
It's okay, it's okay.
Trash bag back here.
You got two? Yeah. So far she's got two.
It's geocaching for millennials.
That's true.
Tell me I'm wrong.
No, that's true.
Now, I have been told by several people that there is a rare Pokemon up at the ski resort. which is where you're going. So you might want to spend a few minutes wandering around looking for them.
So we are out here and it's so crazy busy. The workers are bored.
Look what I got! Look what I caught!
What'd you get, Adriana? Adriana's caught like 17 already.
Yes! Wait, no,
17.
Yeah, I just showed you. Well, there's still one more.
Look what they have here. Oh, they have an amaze.
I just shot it up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha! Yes!
Oh my gosh.
That's something that Ash does. Or he does something like that. I forgot. I haven't watched Pokemon in like 5 billion years.
Wow. It's kind of cold here, but there's nobody selling tickets. But then again, there's nobody here. This is like empty. Nobody's here.
Wait, look.
Look how high that takes you.
Oof.
You're just sitting on that little chair.
Oh my gosh. Can you imagine feeling that breeze? That's high.
Oh. Yes! I got Bulbasaur!
Yeah, he is creepy looking. They're creepy looking. Dale, cógele la manita. Ready? Guess where we're at again. We found a different one. Nightlife in Gatlinburg. Johnny Rockets. Gatlinburg. Gatlinburg.
Gatlinburg, yeah.
Gatlinburg.
What if I just parked the car here and we got out?
Right in the middle of the street?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just parked the car right here and we got out.
Sure, everybody would love that. Wow, there's a lot going on.